Back to my channel. Yes, I know my hair looks a mess. It's due time that I get my hair done finally, and I'm so excited to get it done. Right now actually on my way to go get my hair done. My appointment is at 1 p.m. today, and yep. So whenever I get there, I will show you guys the behind the scene of me getting my hair done and what it looks like whenever it's done. So the person who's supposed to do my hair, they're on the second floor. So I'm in the elevator right now. I'm actually going to get this hair split. I'm so elated right now to try as much as you are. Alright, uniquely babes, you made it. Congratulations. So in this video, I'm basically showing you on how she achieved this medium knotless box braids on my head. I'm gonna be telling you on how many hairs she's adding to the braids. However, I'm only doing it to 2 of the braids, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see how she's doing the rest of the hair, so that way in case you want to do your own hair at home, do it on your own and save those coins. You know we save money on this channel. But with that being said, let's get started. Alright babes, as you can see, she parted her hair in 5 sessions and started braiding from the middle section. And actually she braided first and then added a strand of hair. As she was going, she kept adding hair. I believe it was 5 total strands of hair she added to complete the braids. Since this is a medium braid, so you need to be cautious of the size of strand of hair you're adding while braiding, because you don't want it to be too large and you don't want it to be too thin to where it's too small, and instead of achieving the look you're going for, you end up achieving something else. Alright, so pay close attention to this next braid she's doing. Be very observant of how many hairs she's adding to the braid and how she started braiding the hair to be able to include those strands of hair. Be observing, because if you're doing this on your own, you can easily miss a step, and if you're not aware of how many hairs she adding or how she started the braids, and you will wonder why you don't get the same result, because there's a step in between that you wasn't aware of. So you guys need to pay close attention and be observant and see how she's doing it. Alright babes, as you can see, she's parting the other hair to start braiding. So that's actually going to be the end of me explaining on how she's doing these knotless medium braids. I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch and see for yourselves on how she's doing it. So I'll meet you guys at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope it was helpful to you guys.
tell you, she got me out of there within 4 hours. And she's very funny too. She has a sense of humor that nobody can take away from her, honestly. Every time she's doing my hair, it's never a dull moment around her. And it was just very, very fun while doing my hair, talking, wisdom always pouring. It was definitely a great experience. She's very light-handed too, so she's not too hard on your head. Alright guys, as you can see, I was feeling my hair to the T. I love my hair so much, and I'm so glad that you guys stayed to the end of the video. I really hope the video was able to help you guys out. And thanks again for watching. Be sure you subscribe and like. Leave a comment down below of any other hairstyle you want me to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.